December the 31st is the new deadline for South Africa to submit its explanation to the ICC about why it failed to arrest the president of Sudan, Omar Al-Bashir, when he attended the AU summit. The request for an explanation has inflamed tensions between South Africa and the ICC.
I think that the fact that South Africa presented the observations to the judges and requested an extension of time, showing their will to continue the cooperation of the court, is an important point that needs to be taken into account and putting there for the people to understand that South Africa until now is still showing this will to cooperate and to respect its obligations.
Here at the court today, the trial of Kenyan Deputy President William Ruto for alleged crimes against humanity has been continuing in his absence. In recent months, there has been major political pressure on the ICC and at the UN to get this case dropped for lack of evidence.
The court has a very definite limited mandate, so it cannot go around and promulgating different things. It just has to follow the law and the evidence, at least from the side of the prosecutor, and the judges have to deal with the evidence that is provided to them by the prosecution and by the defense. So in this case, it's limited to those to that area.
It's all caused senior members of the African National Congress to publicly call for South Africa to withdraw from the ICC. But under international law, the government will still be liable to face the non-cooperation charges. Clearing up the questions of South Africa's non-compliance in the Al-Bashir case swiftly and fairly is in the interests of all parties involved. The longer it goes on, the faster South Africa's aspirations of becoming a permanent member of the UN Security Council will fade. Jack Parrick, SABC News, at the International Criminal Court in The Hague.